Welcome to a MainelyDIY.com video.
Now we're going to change the oil strainer, which should be done, I don't know, I would say every other year. Some people do it every year, but I usually do it every other year. It's part of the cleaning process. So we're going to take, this is the oil pump, and we're going to take the 4 screws off, pull it apart, and make a little mess, and replace the filter and the gasket.
And we have a little container to catch our oil spill.
Right, and as we indicated before, we did shut off the boiler and we did turn off the oil lines. So we should minimize our mess. Wow, it's coming off pretty good. I always go for the bottom screws first because they always seem to be the hardest ones to get off. There it goes. That one was good now. Here it comes. All right. And I always like to wear gloves because I don't know what I'm getting into. We're going to loosen this one up. There we go. And get that going. And then we're going to loosen this. Here comes the oil. Maybe it's probably still stuck on. There we go. Good fit. Up, there comes the oil. Okay, let's get my tool out of here for a moment. Take my screw off. I'm just kind of holding lightly against it so it doesn't all spill out. Well, it probably already did. All right. Now, pull this off. And there we go. There's the, let me get the light up here. There's a filter in there. And you see the gasket around there too. So we're going to replace both of those. So let's replace the filter first. So just pull this one out. Let's get that gasket off. I do it very gently. I don't want to break it. You never know if you have to use it again if the other one doesn't fit. Okay. Now, let's see. The little holes, there's 3 on each side on the bottom. So that's how we'll put this one. There's 1 in the middle on the top. So we'll do the same thing with this. Okay. And it fits. Look at that, isn't that nice? Then we take our strainer and we put that over there, like that. And we put this back on. So it's really quite a simple little process here, really is. A lot of times that doesn't get done. And if it doesn't, it will plug up and you'll get less flow with your oil. That's not good because it only gives you a problem in the middle of the winter. Okay, now we'll start these screws. So I line them up and don't hurt that gasket. My fingers are all slimy with the oil. All the gloves are. Okay. And when you tighten these screws up, you want to tighten them from opposite directions and back and forth and snug them all. You don't want to tighten one really tight because you could damage your gasket if you do it that way. So I'm just going to snug all these up first. Go opposites. Diagonal, I like the diagonal. Like that. Actually, when you're doing engine blocks and things, there's a sequence in which you're supposed to tighten it and how many foot-pounds. This, you just try to just do opposite. Seems to work pretty good. You get good pressure all around. It's a fairly small surface on this pump. But you think how much this pump actually pumps through the year. You know, it can be anywhere from 500 to 1,000 gallons of oil in one heating season. That's a lot to ask for such a small pump. So it's good to keep the thing tuned up, and this will just help. I don't want those terribly tight. I'm just going to go right around. So I think I have them tight now. Okay, now the last part we need to do, we've taken oil out of that, we have to put oil in it. So what I'm going to do is adjust my can over here, and then I'm going to get a wrench to fit. I need a small wrench. Hang on. I don't have these memorized. Let's try a 3/8. Yes, 3/8 it is. This is a bleeder valve. So what we're going to do is loosen that up. And by loosening it, it opens the valve. And then we're going to turn the boiler on for just a moment. And you'll see like a frothy white pinkish color come out. That is the air in the oil. As it comes through, it will sputter and spit. When it comes steady, then I'm good with it. I'll tighten it up and shut the boiler off, and then we'll tighten it all up and turn the boiler on. We're good to go. So here we go. We're going to loosen this up. Like that. Valve's on. There, that's on. There we go. We're going to turn the boiler on again and try this. Okay, now that looks about right to me. I'm going to shut this off, tighten this up. Okay, so that should do it. My ketchup jar out of the way and turn on the boiler, and it should be all good to go. Wow, that's a good sound. Let's see what that flame looks like in here. Oh yeah, that's good. All right, we have that nice new chamber in there. This is nice. All right, I'm ready for the winter.